Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If it's the first time you're tuning in to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers, welcome back. I'm gonna make a roast chicken with some roasted potato and a butternut squash mash. So here's my ingredients for today. As you can see, it's a lot of ingredients because I'm going to make my own sauce for my chicken, my own rubbings, and my own everything. And this is my chicken. This is a organic chicken. These are my little potatoes. These are some gourmet potatoes and organic carrots. My onion. This is the herbs for my potato, chive, and dill. I'm going to use some parsley with it, and ginger and onion. Oh guys, by the way, I wanted to make some green beans, and can you believe I went to the market? You see what happened when you go to work at night and you stop on your way home and you're exhausted? I left the green bean in the market, so I'm like so bummed. But anyway, the only thing I left here is my pepper. I didn't take out my peppers as yet. This is too much to go through, but while I'm using it, I'll show you guys. And here's my butternut squash. I'm gonna make it with apple and a carrot. And here, while my chicken, I'm gonna put some vinegar in my chicken. It's nicely washed, and a lemon, and have it sit for like 15 minutes before I season it. So while it's soaking, I'm just gonna start chopping up things. So guys, I'll see you in a minute. And guys, that's the base for my chicken. All right. Okay guys, with my chicken nice and clean, I'm gonna put some of this rubbings that I make on the inside. So guys, I'm gonna use some Maggi seasoning. So guys, with this big guy covered, I'm gonna let it sit for like 15-20 minutes, and then with my oven preset at 375, I'm gonna put it in for 25 minutes before I show you guys. The chicken itself takes like 45 minutes to roast, but after 25 minutes, I'll check on it and see what's going on, all right? my FK gang, it's been 25 minutes. Let's see what's going on with the chicken. All right. I'm gonna cover it for another 10 minutes and then I'm going to uncover it so it can catch its color. Right now it's going well. So guys, at 375 my oven, I'm gonna stick these in with the chicken and let these bake for 20 to 30 minutes until my vegetables are completely baked. All right, your carrots and your potatoes nicely washed. Make sure you scrub them with a brush. This is what I use because you're not going to remove the skins. All right, you're just removing the bottom and the top. I want your chicken to be nice and juicy, guys. And this keeps marinating it when you're doing that. And you're putting the sauce on top. So now I'm going to uncover it for it to catch its color now. All right? Okay guys, I'm about to chop up my herbs. With about a tablespoon of dill, chive, and parsley, I'm gonna combine them together. So guys, I want to check on it in 20 minutes, just until your potatoes are soft. All right. This is my leftovers seasoning from my chicken. To this, I'm gonna add a small onion. I'm gonna let this saute for like 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat.
Fly
Okay guys, this is about the 1/8 of a cup of milk, almond milk. So guys, just let's see how soft and juicy this chicken is. See how nice and soft it is. We're at the end of another segment. Here is my roasted chicken with my herb roasted potatoes, gourmet potatoes, and carrots, and my mashed squash, butternut squash with apples and carrots. All right. I hope you guys enjoy. It is very tasty and very delish. I'm so upset I left the green beans at the supermarket. As you know, I feed the heart, the body, the mind, and the soul. Today's scripture is coming from Psalm 73, verse 28. But as for me, it is good to be near God. I have made the sovereign Lord my refuge. I will tell of all your deeds. Yes, I will. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, you cannot live in the past. You have to move forward, guys. And look for new perspective and actions. And that is from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today. Fergie loves you. I hope you enjoy this delicious roasted chicken. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.